Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today I'm going to share with you this wonderful Sentimental Rose Thinking of You card. I'm using the stamp set from our Sentimental Rose Paper Pumpkin April kit. So let me set this aside and we'll get started. Okay, this is a note card size card, so I'm going to take one of our Whisper White note cards, and I love these because not only do they come with the note cards, but they come with the envelopes. I've used my bone folder to score it so that I can see that score line a little easier, and I am going to take my sentiment that I've inked up with the gray granite ink that you get in the kit, and I am going to stamp the Thinking for You along the bottom of the note card. And then I'm going to bring in this little leaf, and I am going to stamp it about here, which is about halfway through the note card. The next thing I'm going to do is bring in one of our Brights Designer Series paper patterns. This happens to come with all 10 colors in the color family, and I'm going to adhere that to the front of my card, and as you can see I've just got a little bit showing. I could lower that slightly, and then I'm going to add a leaf that I have stamped again in the gray granite, and I'm going to fussy cut that, bring this back. I have actually stamped 2 of these and fussy cut 2 of them. Oops, because I wanted to lay them on top of the Designer Series paper. So I'm going to take the second, and this kind of adds some layers and some depth to it. And then I'm going to add this second one. I'm all thumbs today, to the top here. And I'm ready to stamp the flower. So I'm going to bring that in with the Flirty Flamingo Classic ink, and I'm going to stamp and then fussy cut. I've got that fussy cut, and I've added some dimensionals to the back. So I'm going to remove those protective backings, and I am going to place the flower here on top of my leaves where I want it. And then I'm going to bring in some of the Frosted and Clear epoxy droplets and my Take a Pick tool. I love these little gems because they're quick and easy, and when you've got a combination of the frosted and the clear, it adds a wonderful little pop of color. So I've got 2 of the clear on there, and I'm bringing in one of the frosted so that you can see the difference, and I'm going to add that one over here. It's that quick and easy. So let me show you the original again. And once again, these are done with the note cards, and the note cards are a great value because you get 20 sets in a package. If you'd like any of these products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Ginny. Thanks for joining me.